Subscribe my channel Akshay Science for Fun for more of my videos. Hello friends, so it's Akshay Science for Fun and today we are going to make hand wash using some dish bar and amount of glycerin. So let's get started, and we also need a glass beaker and any medium to heat it and boil it till it's concentrated, and then add glycerin and then it will dry and hand wash will be created. So let's get started. First we have to make the basic solution, and for that we need to cut this and after that we have to make this solution soluble by adding water like this, and then we have to stir it. I'm heating this solution. You can see the spirit lamp burning and it is being soluble, and after some time the solution will become saturated and we will add glycerin and our hand wash will be made. So let's wait for some time. We have made this solution. It is now cooling down, and after it cools I will show you how to that it really works and wash my hand with it. So you can see that it is really saturated. So let us wash our hand. I am recording, so one hand is enough, and you can see that how it is efficient in washing my hands. So like, subscribe and share for more of my videos.